So in today's video, we are doing this Chinese Douyin makeup look. I have already applied the primer, so now I'm applying foundation all over my face and blending it seamlessly. Applying concealer under my eyes and around my mouth. For setting base, I'm using this setting powder. And now filling my eyebrows. I'm using this neutral beige shade for my eye makeup. Also applying the same shade on my lower lash line. For aegis-sal, I'm just squinting my eyes like this and then drawing it. Now I'm just applying a very thin eyeliner. And now I'm highlighting between the aegis-sal and my lower lash line. Applying highlighter on my inner corners. For contour, I'm using this flat brush. Then I'm applying some highlighter on the tip of my nose. For blush, I'm applying right on the top of my cheek. I'm applying highlighter with my fingers for that glowy effect. For lips, I'm only applying gloss. And lastly, applying some mascara, and don't forget your lower lash line.